work in HR department, for example, and his printer is not working, and he just want to submit an incident, or he want to submit some request to the IT that I want to replace the cartridge, my printer is not working, I need a laptop, or I need new iPhone, whatever. There are service catalog. So are you aware what is service catalog, what is service and all this thing? Any idea about that?
Uh, I know about some of it. Yeah.
Sorry. Actually, service catalog, basically in a very plain and common language, service catalog is nothing but the list of the services which is available you to deliver to your customer. That is nothing but a service catalog. Now, if you check in any hotel, when you enter into the room, you will find one book on the table. That book give you the list of services which that hotel is providing, right? Right. For
Mhm.
example, car rental car. Then they will say call doctor on call, right? They will have the say gym facility, gymnastic, whatever they have for exercise. They might have the laundry things. So these are the services which hotel is providing to you, and they put everything about that service in that book, which is service catalog. So I'm giving you a very conventional example, but the things start from there. So service catalog is nothing but the list of all the active services along with the details. So if you say rental car, then they will provide you like, okay, we have full day plan, it is pick up and drop, right? Or outstation services. If you have a doctor on call, then what will be the charges? What are the facility they are providing? All these things. So that is a service catalog. So service catalog is basically provide you the list of services which we are providing to your customer, and they can request the service from there. So that is nothing but a service catalog. And service portal is something where you can either create an incident. For example, if you want, you can request something. So when you click on the request something, it will show you the list of all the available services. You select the service which you want. It will ask you some more detail, right? For example, your company has a option. They will provide the mobile phone to their employee, right? So, and if you are eligible for that service, when you log into the service portal and you say request something, it will show you the list of services, okay, which is available. Say then you will say I want a new mobile phone. Then when you click on that service, it will ask you very basic questions like which model you want, uh, whether you want 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, okay, what will be the storage, what will be the screen size, like that, all some basic things. And it will submit the request. Then request go to the respective or concerned person who can approve or reject that request, and then from there it will get processed. And when the actual service is delivered, the service request will be closed. That is how it works, the entire thing. So how it is different, like what is the difference between incident and service request? Like in ITIL term, incident is something break in the service. Interruption in the service is called as incident. Okay. Whereas service request is something which is not an incident, but user need the help, right? Getting my point?
Yep.
What is the difference between incident? So incident is the interruption to the service or reduction in the quality of the service is called as incident. So if you go by the definition of an incident as per the ITIL terminology, interruption in the service or reduction in the quality of the service is called as incident. And every incident as per ITIL guideline, every incident should be reported and recorded. Okay. Whereas service is something which is not an incident, but the user needs something from you. Maybe it is a help, maybe it is, as I said, he wants to inform something, he wants a phone on his desk, his phone is not working, something like that. Okay. So here when you service request, most of the time there is a service catalog available, and the user can choose from there. Where incident, there is nothing. Incident can be anything, right? Means anything can happen for the interruption. But service request mean you cannot ask for I want pizza, cannot have that kind of service, right? Because that is not the standard service your IT is providing to you. So that is the difference. Okay, so this is your service portal. You can access it through service portal, portal home. You can come here. If you want to submit an incident to service portal, go to get help. Okay, it will take you to this screen. Okay, here you can say create incident. So this option is there. So if you click it here, it will ask you a simple thing like what is there, what is the urgency, and what is the problem. Please describe your issue and just submit. The incident will get submitted. The idea here is the incident, the service portal is mainly designed for the non-IT, a layman user who do not have any idea about anything. So you must have seen the incident screen, right? In the last presentation, let me open if it is still there.
Yeah, we've gone over it a few times.
Yes, there are so many things there in the incident form. If I ask the normal user to enter all the things for the incident, he will say, okay, I'm not interested in raising any incident
Yeah.
because who is the caller, what is the priority, he's least bother about that. The end user is only bother about this is my problem and this is the priority. That's all. Rest of the thing you can take care. That is what the general tendency is. So that is the difference where the service request and incident come. So who is using incident? If you call the service desk and say my printer is not working, then the L1 agent will open the incident form and record your incident. But if you don't want to call the service desk and if you want to create your own incident or request whatever, you can create it from your this form. Sorry, where is that? This form. I just want this. That's all. Okay. Clear the difference between incident, service request, portal.
Mm-hmm.
And for normal user, we don't give the access of incident form. We don't give the access to incident form. For normal user, he has to go to the service portal, raise a request there, and it will get registered, the service request. Now from service desk, like now as a L1 agent, right? Means end user can raise a request from here. He can raise the service also from here. I will also show you some service request something. There also you can create the incident. I will take you here after some time. Uh, as a service desk agent, so for example, I am a L1 agent. So I'll go to the service desk and I'll say my work. So when I will click on my work, it will show you or my group work. My group work means the ticket assigned to me, or is it tickets or incident assigned to or request assigned to my group. If I can go here on this link and it will show me the list of the incident or request which is assigned to me or my group. So I can see all my work here. Okay, whether it is a change request or whatever, what type of requests are there, they are assigned to you. Okay. This is related to chat. I don't know. Sorry, that is what I saw. Why? Where is the header of this line? Okay, so you as a service desk agent, you can see your work in the my work section, or you can see the work assigned to your group into my work, my group work section. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. Now, one feature which is also mentioned in your requirement is the connect chat. Connect chat is mainly used to talk to the people, with your colleagues, with your subject matter experts. Like, so if you are working on particular incident or a request, and if you want some help or you want to provide some information to the other guys, you want to get them involved in solving the issue, then this is the option which you can use as a connect chat. So how do you start the connect chat? You can start it from here. You go to the ITIL homepage, just type ITIL here and go to the ITIL homepage. This screen will get open. This is your ITIL homepage. You click here on the second icon, which is chat icon. It is also available on your homepage. Okay, this second one, connect chat.
Yep.
So you click it here. The all your chat active charts are here. Active charts means the chart which we have already work on, means you have created or something. If you want to create the new chat, you can just add this plus icon here, this plus icon. Okay, so just click on this plus icon, and the moment you click on this plus icon, this window get open, new conversation. Okay, now you can add, you can just type the name of the user here into add chat, add user, and you will see the, you'll get the suggestion, you add the people. So like this, you type the name, the matching user will be there, select that, add, select that, add. So you keep on adding to number of people. So if you add to 1 2 3 4 5 people, whatever, means you can add number of peoples. Now once you add the people, you can start the conversation. So how do you start the conversation? You just click on this window, this, again you will see the new chat window here, you can see it here. Just click it, the new conversation will be appear in the chat list here. So this is the new conversation which you have started. Okay, so you can click there. When you double click this particular window, okay, the chat window is open in the new format, sorry, on the new window like this. There is some problem, this need to, oh, sorry, because of this sizing. I will not now change anything. Sorry, I okay. So this is your chat new window. Okay, you can type any messages here, it will automatically go. You can also give the name to the window, to the conversation if you want. Okay, if you click here, it will show you the list of participant. There is a pen icon here, so you can click on that pen icon, and here you can type the name for this conversation. You can also add or remove. If you click here, you can add or remove the people from this chat window also. Okay, so this is how you can interact with each others in the chat window. So let's see how this can be done. uh, there is no, I have not prepared any lab for this, but I will show you how to do it. We'll explore this service portal also. So let me go there. This is the one. I'll go to the home page, and I will click here, service portal. Here I want to go to the service portal home. This is my service portal home. Okay, this is the whole. Let me make it small so that we can accommodate. Okay. So here you can see that these are my open request. Now as an end user, you log in here, and it will show you all your open request here. See, whatever request you have created. Now you log in as a system admin. So this is the old open incident which you have created earlier. If there is anything sent to you as an approval, you will see all the pending approvals here. Okay, is there any announcement? That is also here. Then this is the dashboard kind of thing, no system reported issue. So if there is some outages going on, some information is there, you can see it here. So you can access this get help, click here.
I'm sorry, you're. It's
Yeah.
only showing the PowerPoint on my screen. I don't know if you're
Oh, I'm
trying to
sorry. I'm
share the.
sorry. Let
That's all
me.
right.
Okay, good that you told me. I think I'm sharing some. I'll share the screen directly. Are you able to see now?
Yes. There we go.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Oh my God, what happened? Okay. So let me show you right from the beginning how I came here. So I go to the home, or let me close this service portal home. So this is your service portal, which is opening. So as I said here, you can see that if some request sent to you for you, if some request submitted to you as for the approval, you can see it here. Okay, if some, these are the your open requests. So all the incident which you have created, and they are available here. You can see all your open incident. Okay.
Sure. Yep.
Is there is any announcement for the system? Means if there is any dashboard, there is some maintenance on the weekend, right? The system is not available for this weekend. All that type of announcement will be here. Current status, if there is some outage going on right now. Okay, some systems are down. So before, when I come here, like for example, I'm not able to access the payroll, and if I come here and if the payroll system is down because of any reason, I can see it here. So I don't need to create the ticket because it is already been known to the IT and they are working on it. Or they already said that this is, there is some maintenance activity going on, so the payroll will not be available between this to this window. So I will not raise any request because my end user will see a lot of information is here. Now, as I said, if you go to get help, if you click it here, see, can we help you? Can you see it here? These are the services. It is a kind of service catalog.
Yep.
Password reset enrollment. So if you want to reset the password, you can put it here. New hire. So for example, if you are a manager and you're some team member is joining to your team, right? So whatever is required for new member to onboard, all this service will be here, right? Asking for the telephone, asking for the furniture, asking for the desktop, asking for security badge, asking for creating an NT account, asking for open email account, right? Asking for his access, opening a bank account, and number of things, whatever, like you can ask him for the mobile phone. So whatever as per standard plan, you just raise one request here, new hire, and the system will automatically take care what are the things which is required for the new hire. It will create the uh, request in background, work order or incident or change, and it will assign to the specific team. They will work on it, and the end user will be bothered only about one thing, whether my request is complete or not. So if I click it here, it will go and take you to this very simple screen where it will ask you very few questions. What is the name of the person? What is the designation? Where is the location he is sitting? Okay, that's all. So as per his designation, as per his location, he will automatically, the system will automatically create the small request, uh, different request, like which include, see here, the new hire package include all necessary tasks to enable you as a new employee to be productive on day one, like hardware provisioning, software access, account creation, right? Email account creation, giving him the laptop or desktop, what is the which monitor is required, which software is installed. If you are providing him some more facilities, like based on his designation, system will automatically take care of it. And what the end user will be providing only information is this: who is the hiring manager, what group is the person joining, what will be the remote, whether he will be a remote employee or what office will they report to, and what employee need anything non-standard. So system has already configured for standard package which is required for new hiring. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you don't need to specify anything that his account should be created, his security or access card should be created, he want this type of phone, he want this type of desktop. Okay, whether he wants cabin or desk, you don't need to tell anything. Everything is configured in the system in the backend. That is called as service request management, but that is a different product. We are not talking about it. We are talking about only from end user perspective. So for end user, he will just specify these 4 parameters, and the system will automatically create lots of work order, incidents, service request in the backend. Okay, and they will assign to the individual team. Every team will work on it, and when everything is done, the final confirmation will come to the user that the person is onboarded. That's all. Okay, so this is one example of a service. There are many such example. For example, here you have the international plan request, travel request. For example, if somebody is traveling, then the air ticket, hotel booking, airport to hotel pickup, car rental, everything is here. So system will be taking care of a lot of thing in the background. Okay, but that is an administrator job. How to support this service, what are the infrastructure required for providing this service. Okay, parking sticker requirement. So if you are bringing your car to the office location, then if you want a parking sticker, then that is one of the service request. It is not an incident, right? So you can clearly see the difference between incidents and service request now. So
Right.
parking sticker request is a simple request which user is asking for. It is not an incident. It is not a interruption to the service. It is not a reduction in the quality of a service, like that. Okay, so you have this type of services, and this is called a service catalog kind of thing. So only service which is having a plan for fulfillment of a service are displayed here. So these are all active live services which are active and which can be fulfilled. Okay, showing 9 items are there. So these are the services. You can take it from here. You can also create an incident, because create an incident is also service. You have departmental services, you have hardware related services. See, you have office related services, peripheral, quick link. So all these things are there. Business application, life cycle management. So this is a service catalog. User can, and this what services you can see here. See, these are the popular services. Install software. Apple iPad 3. If your company is providing Apple iPad 3 to their employee, not everyone, but for example, there are marketing people. So for them, in order to give the demo to the customer, they need an iPad. So company is providing that. But for that, you have to be eligible for this. If you are eligible, then only this these services will be visible to you. If you are not eligible, for example, when I'm creating the service, I will say this service is available only for marketing department. So if you belong to the marketing department, then only this service will be visible to you. That is called as service entitlement. Okay, so at the time of creating the service, the administrator can configure who are the people or group entitled for this service, and when they log in, they will be able to see that service. If I'm from HR department, I will not see this. Okay, this will not be visible to me. Great. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is the place from where requester can raise the incident, or they can chat. Okay, I have to show you the demo for the chat, right? Okay.
Yes.
Let me go to the home page. Okay, this is our home page. I'll close this. Let's go to the, you can go from here also, right? This is my home page. This is the chat one. Okay, toggle contact toolbar. So I'll create here. So these are my earlier conversation. I can also remove it if I don't want to show the anything here. I will add, I want to start the new chat. I'll click here. Okay. I can add the user ABD something. What was that user?
I think it was Abel or Adele. Can't remember.
Abraham Lincoln. So I will add it here,
There you go.
right? ADB, or let me see what was the name of that. It is my PPT. Huh. I don't remember the name of that person. So okay, ABEL. Okay, Abel. Abel tutor. Okay, I added this to user. I'll say hi everyone. That is same, right? I can still add some people here. This, whatever this conversation comes here, if I click here, it will open that in the new window. The conversation which I created open in the new window. The name of the people are seeing here. Now, if I want to give some name, I can remove it, or even I can keep it. I will add some here. Say exchange, sorry, exchange server outage. Save. See, so this conversation is related to exchange server outage. I can do that. Now here you can see the member list. If you want, you can add the member, or you can, if you want to remove somebody, just click on this minus button or plus button. You can remove the person from here, from the chat. Okay, and then you can keep on talking to that guys. All right, making sense now how to chat works, what is the service portal, how it is useful for the end user. Okay, can you try it of your own now? Whatever we just did this.
Yep, sure.
Okay, you can do that. I will stop sharing here. You can do this. You can practice this service now. Just explore here and there. All service request, create an incident from here, search that incident, whether an incident is created or not.
Yeah, do you want me to share while I'm doing it?
Personally, I don't want.
That's fine.
But,
it doesn't matter to me.
Yeah. Because I never did this, but this first time it told me that you monitor what he is doing, means whether he's doing correctly or not. So it's, if you want, you can share. I don't have any problem.
No, that's fine. I was kind of playing along with it as you were on the site, so I was kind of following.
Okay.
Like I'm just looking through like the service catalog and stuff right now. So it's pretty straightforward for the most part.